Yeah, welcome back to my online class. Now, this is 2026 Neco Physics practical on mechanism. That is number 1. Now, this is the diagram of the experiment that we assume is coming for this Neco. So this is the resource stand, and this is our what? Resource stand. According to the listing, that we are provided with a resource stand. This is our resource stand. A clamp. This is our clamp. And a bus. This is the what? The bus here. A set of masses, and these are my what? Set of masses. Now these are my what? Masses. So these are my masses. So and what? Spiral what? Spring. So this is my what? Spiral what? Spring I'm going to be using now. And the what? A stopwatch. That very day your physics teacher is going to provide you a what? A stopwatch, but for now I'm going to be using my phone as a what? A stopwatch. Now, and other necessary apparatus, using the diagram above, this diagram above, as a guide, carry out the following instruction. Suspend the spiral spring vertically. So I'm asked to suspend. You just have to what? Just place it in this format. Just place it here and you tight it. So I'm asked to suspend my what? Spiral spring. So I've suspended my what? Spiral spring. Now vertically, so it's not horizontally, vertically, as shown in the diagram. So suspend mass angle on the free end of the spiral spring. On this free end of the spiral spring, I'll place my what? My mass angle. This is my mass angle, and add a mass. So I'll add a mass. First mass I'll firstly add. I'll add a what? 40 gram. I'll add what? Mass of what? That is 40 gram. Don't forget that all this mass, this one are what? 20 gram. They are what? All these masses are what? 20 gram. So I need 40. That is 2 of it. This is 20 and 20. That is 40. So I'm asked to what? To place a mass of 40 gram to the angle. So pull the angle gently. So when you place it, you place your angle here and you what? You pull it gently, not forcefully. Now release to set into vertical oscillation. Vertical, that's up and down, not horizontally. Now we have to determine the value of t. From here now, these are what? My tables of value. Now the first thing that must be there is our mass, because they made mention of our what? Mass. So you put your serial number. That is how many value are you going to do. This is 1, and this is what now? This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 values to what? To record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, therefore, what is the first mass? 40. So I wrote my 40.00. So they say determine the time t for 20 oscillation. So I'm going to be taking 20 oscillation. Evaluate the period. Evaluate the what? Period t for 20 oscillation. And also this one should be what? It should be capital letter T. T for 20 oscillation, and also evaluate t square. So they say he has us to repeat the procedure for 4 other values. So we have initially given a value initially. So therefore, it will make it to be what? 5 from 40. So you're going to write what? 40.00, 60.00, 80.00, 100.00, and 120.00 must be on your what? Table. And please take note, your mass must put your value of your mass in what is the unit? Gram. So now T is going to be on the what? On the table. So I'm taking my time twice to get accurate values. That's why I denote it to be what? T1 and T2. They must all be in what? In seconds. Now, since I'm taking 2 time, I have to find the average or the mean time. How am I going to get it? I'll add the 2 value of my time obtained here divided by 2. So it must be in seconds. Now we have to find the what? Period. Now don't forget, formula for period is what? Time taken over number of oscillation. What is the number of oscillation we are taking here? Is 20. That is t over 20. And we have to find the square of this period. So this is and in second square. Now we are going to start this experiment gradually now. Now from here now we have to put what? We have to put the mass angle gently downward and release. Now, and what is the mass? 40. And this is my 40 gram. So I'll place it here. I'll place my 40 gram here. So what am I going to do now? We have to make what? Vertical oscillation for what? For 20 number of oscillation. That is the number of oscillation is what? 20. Now in that case, now I'll put up my stopwatch for 20 oscillation. Now, please, when you want to start it, you pull it gently. According to the question, pull the anchor gently, not forcefully. So for how many oscillation? That is 20. So I'll start now. It's not moving. So you bring it gently. Just do gently. So I'll start it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is not moving. I'm coming. Now we're going to start cool down. Now these are 40 gram. We are going to start the oscillation for 20 oscillation. So I'm going to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now for the first one, I have 9.75. that is 2 decimal. So I'll do for this will happen because of time. I'll not be doing for the second part. I'll just do for the first one, and I will predict for the second one. So I'll do for the next one 60. I'll add another 20 to become 60, to become what, 60. So this is my 60 now. I added another mass now. I want to make it to oscillate for 20 oscillation. So I'm going to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have what? For the second one, I have 11.89. Now I'll do for the next one when I add another mass to make it what, 80. So I'll also do 20 oscillation. So I'm going to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I have what now? I have 13.22. So I'll add another mass to make it 80. So I'll add another mass to make it what, 80 or 100, to make it 100. So I'm going to do for 100 mass. So I'm going to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the time is what? 14.33. The time is 14.33. So I'm going to record 14.33. So I'm going to do for the last one. Which is what? 120. I'm going to do for the last one, which is what? 120. I'm going to place a mass. Let me add another one. Because of this, the angle is not too long. So this is 120. I'm going to do for 120. I will start now. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the time is what? 15.26. So my time is what? 15.26. So because of my time, we predict the time of this one. I'll just take it to be what? 9.74. I'll predict it also 11.88. I'll predict one 13.21. I'll predict one to be what? 14.32. Because of the time. So I'll take it to be what? 15.25. So to get my what? Average time, I'm going to add this one divided by 2. So I have what now? That is 9.75 plus 9.74. So divided by 2. So that gives me what? 9.74.